What up, trappers? Welcome to an episode of Trapped Out Whips. We're here at the Mart's house and we got a real nice vehicle here we're going to show you this afternoon. Our weather's crap out here, but this is the perfect vehicle for this crap weather.
Okay, I'm Kyler Martin. This is my 2010 I bought this about a year ago. I haven't done too much to it yet, but the main things I like about it, I got the halo headlights with the switchback running lights on them.
This is nice.
I have the black mesh grill, and then I used to have a light bar on the front there. I took that off. It has a 6-inch rough country suspension lift, and it's on 20x12 ballistic guillotines.
Man, that's a hell of a lip. How wide are they, Kyler?
They are -44 offset.
Damn. How many? What is that? 12 wide?
Yep.
Jesus. It's
And
a big tire.
The wheels are wrapped in 35x12.5 Nitto ridge grapplers.
Damn.
I think they're a rough terrain tire.
I see you got some tin on here.
Yeah, I have 5% tin all the way around,
Nice, nice.
and I have a 5% brow. It's a 10-inch brow.
10-inch? Nice, nice.
I have, I don't know if this matters, but there's a security system right here where I can put in a code to unlock my truck, and it sets off a really stupid loud alarm. Like, it's annoying.
You say it's annoying?
Yeah. And then I have the fender flares on it.
What kind of fender flares are those? Do you know?
No. I mean, they're just, they're not like a wide body kit type or anything. They're just
Like a JDM bolt on?
Yeah.
Nice.
They're just held on by a 3M, and then there's a few clips on the inside with some screws.
Aftermarket taillights too?
Some smoke taillights. They're nothing too special, but I like them.
Nice,
I like the
nice.
look of 'em. There's dual exhaust RBP tips.
Oh yeah.
And then that third brake light is aftermarket too. It's got a pretty bright reverse light on it.
The one back here?
Yep.
Nice, nice. Oh yeah, I didn't even notice that. It's got the clear. A lot of detail in this truck.
Yeah.
So did you do this or did you buy it this way?
Most of what you can see right now, I bought it. I did have to fix a few things. Like the driver's side front end is basically brand new.
Yeah.
Put in a new CV shaft, new ball, or a new wheel bearing, and a new brake caliper. And now I'm going to do the right side and new ball joints, and then I'm going to do brake change all the way around.
Nice, nice. Can we check it out inside? Man, that's a hell of a step up here. So what do you have in here?
Well, this is the ST package, so it's really nothing too crazy. I mean, this is a Pioneer 1400 NEX head unit with Apple CarPlay compatibility.
Nice, got the Apple CarPlay.
Yep.
Nice, nice. So what kind of speakers are you running? Are they all stocks or you got amps and subs or what do you got?
Yeah, under here I have...
Ooh, it's so dark. Here we go.
So I have two 12-inch JL Audio subs, and then under my driver's seat, it's gonna be hard to see it, but under my driver's seat I have a 1000-watt Kenwood amp.
1000 watt?
Yeah.
Man, yeah. So you got good sound in here. This probably sounds really good.
And yeah.
You want to start it up? Let us hear it. Let me get back and I'll get a good sound for the exhaust note here. All right, we're ready when you are. Runs good, sounds good, real good. So this is one of your trucks. You have another toy truck stashed away at your grandparents', don't you?
Yeah.
You've been working on that, you and your dad and your grandpa. Yeah. You want to tell us about that a little bit?
We're making a S10 drag truck. It has a 383 stroker small block in it that's bored out to 385. Right now we're at the stage it runs. We're at the stage where we're just getting all the bugs fixes, and then it's going to go in for paint, and hopefully it'll be on the track by the end of this season. So.
This season then, so you're ready for that, and it'll be track and street legal. Then you'll get to drive it around on the street sometimes.
Yep.
Well, that'd be real good. I'd like to get when you get it done, maybe we can get an episode. Maybe before we get it painted, or maybe after it goes to paint, maybe we can get out there and get it checked out too, and that'd be real good. Your jacket that you're wearing here, is that your jacket for your race team?
Yeah. In 2018 for Osceola, I ended up being the points champion.
Really?
Yeah, I won the junior dragster class.
That's awesome. That's really good. So, all right, we appreciate your interview here. Appreciate your trucks. Tell them, keep on trapping, like, share, and subscribe, right?
Yeah.
Make sure you watch the videos. Check them out. All right, Kylie, thanks a lot. All right, guys, so there you have it. That's a 2010 Dodge Ram. It's loaded. He's got a lot of stuff done to it. I think it's for sale too. I'll put a link in the description for this video. So if you're interested, you can get on there, check out his ad, see what he's got. I think the only reason he's selling it is because he wants to play with something else. I think it's in great shape, no problem. So everything that you need to know about that is in the description of how to contact him, all that sort of stuff. So thanks, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned. We got more videos coming.